All right, we are officially in monsoon season here. It looks like this over there, which isn't terrible, but it looks like this over here because it's coming from that way. Ooh, it's getting, now we actually officially have rain right now. But the wind is blowing pretty hard. It is, yeah, you can see it. Like some of these trees over there, you see how hard it's blowing. You see these guys blowing pretty hard. Oh, that was lightning. It's definitely ooh, there it goes. Ooh, ooh, that's a big one. Everything's getting blown around. And the rain is finally coming, thank goodness. We needed it. It's been very dry. Yeah, so that's the end of our sunset. It's like 7:50, 7:55 p.m. So what normally would be gorgeous is gorgeous in a different way. Ooh, the wind died a little, but the rain is starting to come a little harder now. Oh, another big gust. Yeah, the pool's gonna be closed. So much debris is gonna get blown around all over the place.
At least we don't have a pool we have to clean.
Yeah, at least we don't have to clean our own pool. There, you can see that too. It's blown pretty hard.
Do you see that piece on the top of that?
Yeah, that's gonna come off. That's gonna come and smash somebody's dog or something.
That's send you to the emergency.
Yeah, that's pretty thick. That's one of those hard, crusty pieces. Like, it's not thin. It's like that hard, crusty stuff that comes off the palm trees. But you can see it's starting to see a little bit of the dampness. You can see some sprinkles, some water, some rain. Getting a little rain on the ground. Love it. Yeah, so those of you back east and wherever else, you're like, whatever. I live in Florida. We get hurricanes. Well, this is big fun for us. It's very dangerous. You don't want to be out driving either because mostly they're filled with dirt. And then now it'll be mud because the dust comes through in the haboob or whatever they call it, the monsoon, and then the rain. And so it becomes like mud on your car, on your windshield, and it becomes very difficult to traverse the highway. So that is pretty up there. So we are enjoying our first batch of rain in what, weeks? In weeks, I think. And it was like 110 today. So right now it's really nice out here. It's probably under 90, definitely under 100. It's feeling pretty good.
I think the landscapers.
So here, a couple pieces of that stuff are stuck in the edge of our roof right there. You can see it. That's the husk from the palm tree. This piece right here, that's the tile, but that piece right there, that is not. And that piece up there, where's my finger? That piece up there is also palm frond or palm husk, whatever that stuff is. It's almost like there's no coconuts, so it's not that, but that's what it's like. It's husk. There's definitely some sheet lightning coming over there. Oh, I was trying to get it, but there it goes. I saw a little bit of it. So the storm is definitely coming from that. Ooh, yeah, there's a whole bunch of it there. So it's not through. It hasn't passed by us yet. Still traversing the valley. These guys are swaying now. All right, I'm going inside. Wait, I like these guys over here. These guys are like, yeah, we're not really made for this kind of wind. This is not our thing. They're getting blown all around. Oh, more lightning. It's also trash day. So somebody's trash is probably going to be all over the place. Not everybody's, but some. I wonder if, do I have a light? It's kind of dark, but you can see like the stuff, there's crap all over it getting blown all up and around. All over the patio. Which will be fun. We'll have to clean it all up. Here you go. Here's some of this stuff. And you can, it's hard. That got blown over here. Looks like a horseshoe crab. Those of you who have ever been back on the East Coast beaches. Oh yeah, we got a lot of them getting all blown around out here too. They're all getting blown off those trees. They're everywhere out here. You can see them all over the place. So the HOA gets to clean all this up tomorrow. What fun. So the wind has basically died completely, but now we have all the remnants. All this crap is everywhere in the street. All right, it's raining nicely now, which is pretty good. I just heard a big old something, so I'm checking this out. This is the pathway. That's our house there. There's a little walking path right here that goes between our house. This is, I showed this little, yeah, a lot of debris. A lot of debris, I'm kidding. But, yeah. Small problem here. Holy crap. This whole tree went. Wow. That snapped right off. What the hell? Oh man. Yikes. This is my neighbor's house. Colleen and Sam live right here. That's us. This thing, look, you can see that was where it used to be attached. Now it just snapped right off right here. Oh my goodness. It's a big old tree. Well, it used to be. That's too bad. That's gonna be a lot of work to clean that up. Luckily, it's on nobody's personal property. Well, here it is in daylight. They got really lucky that this didn't fall on anything and damage it. Like, I mean, this is technically their property, I think, but I think you can sort of see where the fence is there. I'm pretty sure those are the property lines, so luckily for them, this is inside the property line, outside their property line, but it fell. Look, too, I mean, like, all this crap, I mean, just, oh, that's pretty bad. And this just, these trees are made to be sturdy. I mean, they grow here in Arizona, obviously. But yeah, somebody's gonna need a couple chainsaws and some wood chippers. Just a lot of stuff. This is impressive. Wow, you guys got out here fast. Huh? You got out here fast.
Oh yeah, they put in a work order.
So all the big logs they already cut up and put inside here. So you can see some of them. They cut a lot of that up, and they've already taken 2 loads of debris to get out of here. No, 4 loads. He said they've already done 4 loads. Well, look at this. That's super impressive. I don't know what's going to happen with the main trunk. I don't know what they're going to do. All right. It's kind of crazy, but it's like nothing ever happened. I mean, everything's kind of mostly cleaned up. I mean, you still got a little bit of the remnants, but that's minor. But look at the tree. I mean, 100% done. They were finished by probably 12:30, this afternoon, which is pretty impressive, considering that this was not the only tree in this pretty big development where we live. So kudos to them. Good job, Pebble Creek HOA. And thank you, greater being or whoever was in charge of the weather, that it brought us a little rain, but doesn't seem to have done too much terrible damage, at least in our neck of the woods.